Hello everybody, today we will continue our lessons for SQL training for beginners. Lesson 28 SQL having clause. The having clause was add to SQL because the where keyword could not be used with aggregate function. Having syntax. Select column name from table name where condition, group by column name having conditions, order by column name. Below is a selection from the customers table in the Northwind sample database. Customer ID, customer name, contact name, address, city, postal code, country. SQL having examples. The following SQL statement lists the number of customers in each country, only includes countries with more than 5 customers. Select country, customer ID, country from customers, group by country. Having count customer ID greater than 5. Easy. Number of a result of a records is 5. Count customer ID, and here is country. The following SQL statement lists the number of customers in each country, sorted high to low, only include countries with more than 5 customers. Select count customer ID, country from customers, group by country. Having count customer ID greater than 5, order by count customer ID descending. Result is 5 records. Below is a selection from the orders table in the Northwind sample database, which contains order ID, customer ID, employee ID, order date, shipper ID, and a selection from the employees table, which contains employee ID, last name, first name, birth date, photo, notes. More having examples. The following SQL statement lists the employees that have registered more than 10 orders. Select employees last name, count orders order ID as number of orders from orders inner join employees on orders.employee ID equal employees.employee ID, group by last name. Having count orders.order ID more than. For this query, too much easy, just we have to concentrate again. Select employees.last name, great, count orders.order ID as number of orders from orders inner join employees on orders.employee ID equal employees.employee ID. Very easy. Group by last name. Having count orders.order ID greater than 10. So the result here is 8 records. The following SQL statement lists if the employees the volume or filler have registered more than 25 orders. Select employees.last name count orders.order id as number of orders from orders inner join employees on orders.employee id equal employees.employee id where last name equal w or last name equal filler group by last name having count orders.order id more or greater than 25. So the result here only 1 w number of orders 29. So our lesson today is too much important and easy, but you have to concentrate, because if you didn't concentrate you will not do this as well. So don't forget to practice too much and make exercise for yourself, and don't forget to click the bell and subscribe to get our new lessons. Thank you.